Hello everybody, on today's test of the water flow. I cannot believe that it is being 4 years already since my first test. For those of you who did not see the first video of the testing for the brand new Tetra EX 800 plus filter, just check it here. So regarding the setup, the filter has the same setup. It is being running for 4 years continuously since the first day. The media in it, the same setup, the tubing, the same setup. Just maybe that I've changed the inflow of this filter. Actually, this one looks like almost like pretty the same, but it has longer tubing. I don't know, and that elbow is a little bit bigger. I mean, the longer, and that flow is kind of strange. I mean, very strong. So I'm very wonder what will be the flow of this filter today. Actually, there is one issue that I should report to you that occurred to me twice during the last year, and it is the leaking of the filter, and it occurred from here, like from these holes. But there is the fix for it. I put there a clinic Vaseline, and now it is okay. But as I said, it occurred twice during 1 year, so perhaps more of the leaking will come. But no worries, there is a lot of space in that head, so and it starts to leak very slowly, very slowly, and once it is filled up, like there is kind of water basin in it, very deep holes, and so then it just comes to the air, to the bucket, and so you do have a lot of time to notice that. Okay, so let me just prepare for the testing and we'll be back. Okay, we are all set, so let's start with the test. And regarding that leaking fix, maybe there will be the video of it in the future, so I will see. Okay, so let's start. We will fill up this bucket up to 10 liters and measure the time, so let's start. Now I see the stream of the water is very straightforward and it is not breaking around, so maybe that's why it is a very strong flow of the water in the aquarium. So okay, as you can see from the table, the 4 years old filter has the flow 378.6 liters per hour. Looking at the previous years, I would say that this flow is pretty much stable. It is just pity that this year the filter has started to leak, and actually after this test I've tried to till the filter and it started to leak. So fixing video is coming, stay tuned. We will hopefully meet in 1 year. Hopefully this filter will make it, and we will see what will be the flow of the water. So thank you for watching this video, and bye everyone.